Good evening all. 26th November, an important day for all Indians. We are celebrating this 26th November as the Constitution Day. On this occasion, I would like to share some information with all of you. What is this Constitution Day and why we are celebrating this 26th November as a Constitution Day? We know till our independence we were under the British control, and the ruling of the British control has their own ways, own constitution, own laws. The last act, that is the Government of India Act 1935, was the one British used to rule the India. When the India got independence in 1947, and when it was declared that we are going to get an independence, it was a necessity that India should have their own constitution. Constitution is nothing but a basic law. Without law, no order can be maintained. So, law is essential. And the basic law should be such that it cannot be overruled by any other law. All other laws should be subordinate to the basic law. The law should be made in such a way that there should not be any such issues or discrimination. The Constitution of India is made in such a way that it is above all the laws that are prevailing at the time of independence and also today. Before I talk about the various issues concerned with the Constitution of India, I just wanted to inform you that 9th December 1946, the Constituent Assembly was formed, and then Dr. Rajendra Prasad was made President of the Constituent India. On 27th August 1947, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar sir was elected as the Chairman of the Drafting Committee of the Constitution. Thus the work on the Constitution started. It took almost 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the Constitution, when finally the draft was finally approved on 26 November 1949. This is the day now we are celebrating 26 November as the Constitution Day. Although the implementation of the Constitution was on 24th January 1947, 24th January 1950, then we have the Republic Day on 26th January 1950. During this period, almost 2000 amendments were done in the Constitution during the discussion stage itself. The reason being the criticality of the issues, the diversity of the nature of India with various geographical conditions, various diversities in religion, region, languages and other cultures. To bring all these things under a uniformity, under a bond of a single thread, it is very, very impossible, but that impossibility was made possible through the Constitution of India. This Constitution of India, which is a basic law, has a preamble which is the spirit of the Constitution. Constitution is made of 395 articles with 22 parts in it, and to start with the 8 schedules and presently up to the 12 schedules. Each part speaks about a particular issue pertaining to the India and its integrity and its other issues, starting from the geographical and boundaries, citizenship, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principles, and many other how the government should run with various executory and other parts that is required for the nation. On the occasion of this Constitution of India, 26 November, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi sir, in one of the meetings in the Supreme Court said, the fundamental duty should be given the priority over the fundamental rights. Here, when we talk about the fundamental duties and rights, we should know what is the difference between the right and duty. In general terms, every right is associated with the bounded duty. When the fundamental rights are given to the citizens of the country, fundamental duties were not given to the citizens when the Constitution was made. Only later, through amendment under Article 51A, the fundamental duties were incorporated. Now, the importance of the fundamental duty is, unless a person realizes their duty and only calls upon their right, it will not do any good to the person as well as the nation. So on this occasion, Prime Minister insisted that the citizens should maintain, while claiming their rights, should also do their fundamental duties. The priority is to be given by the duties. The thinking process that I have a right should immediately be followed by obligation that yes, I have a duty to perform. Once everybody realizes what is their duty, rights automatically will be there, a part of it. I would not like to go into the details what are the duties, but basically the duty is any action that helps the nation to uphold its dignity, upholds its boundaries, upholds its security, integrity, and all other economical and social conditions which should not be deteriorated by the actions of the people or inactions of the people. Here the inaction is something more related to the duty. A person who is duty bound will never think about any inaction. So everyone should think about the duties, and the duty should come first over right. Then only we will reach to a level in the world that the Bharat, India, is most powerful and a disciplined country where the people of India not only claim for their rights but also realize their duties and they perform their duties. If everybody does their duty, all angles, in all areas, all fields of our activity, be it economic, be it political, be it any other, the duties performed by the citizens will protect the nation in all respects. So with this a small talk, I request all the citizens to realize what are their duties and how they achieve their duties through their actions, active actions, not the passive actions. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.